Check, 1, 2, test. 1, 2, check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Check, 1, 2. Check, 1, 2. That's dope. Check, 1, 2. Can you put the same on all the other mics? If you can, that'd be great.
Yeah, I'm gonna make them, not be tapping the whole set because on certain parts, that's like the legs and stuff like that.
Yeah, but I mean, it sounds good, like, straight away, like right now. I mean, with a little bit of that on it, always. Check. 1, 2. I love that. That sounds good. Yeah, it adds some dimension, so, and it's not too much, I can tell. Check. 1, 2. Test, 1, 2, check, 1, 2.
Alright, if you guys want to run through the song, I'll balance it out.